mommy. Show mommy the sand. Oh, wow. Just got all over my foot. There's the beach. Ryan, where are you going? Uh-oh. No, don't touch it. Here, gimme. There we go. Play with the sand. Go like this. Hurry up. Go like this with the sand. Grab it. There you go. Good girl. Bye.